Ever wondered how to turn an ordinary hip flask into a personalized masterpiece? Watch this video to discover how easy it is with the XTool F1 laser engraver. Let's get started and make something amazing. For this project, all you need is your hip flask and your XTool F1 laser engraver. If you don't have an XTool F1, check out the link in the description for an amazing deal as they run sales all the time. And in my opinion, they are the most user-friendly brand of hobby laser engravers on the market. The settings we'll use today work for both thin-coated and powder-coated hip flasks. Hip flasks make perfect gifts for wedding parties, retirements, birthday milestones, outdoor enthusiasts, and holidays. By the way, if you're looking for a great deal on quality flasks, check the link in the description. This project is fairly simple. Place your flask on the F1 base plate and turn the knob to align your red and blue dots. Click the framing button to ensure your design is centered. After loading XCS, let's add our file. I create my files in Canva and upload them to XCS. For those of you who prefer to use vector files, leave a comment with why and what settings you use for these kind of projects. With everything framed and ready, we're using the blue light setting with a dot duration of 300, max power of 100, and DPI of 400 set to 1 pass. Typically, these flasks only require 1 pass, but we'll do 2 passes for this project. I'll explain why shortly. The flask has about 4.5 inches of surface area, so I sized the design to be around 3.5 inches tall. It's framed and centered, so we'll stop the framing and click Process. XCS estimates this will take about 4 minutes. Click Start to begin the engraving process. Now that our flask is engraved, we're doing a second pass using the same settings, but switching from blue light to the infrared setting. This is mainly for cleaning purposes. Usually you can clean after the first pass with some LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner and a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. For surfaces with a shiny clear coat, I avoid chemicals as they remove the coating and leave a smear. The second pass with IR acts like a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And there you have it. Your custom engraved hip flask is ready. Whether you clean with chemicals or use the infrared pass, find what works best for you and enjoy the process. For the best deals on quality blanks, XTool lasers, and accessories, check the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Keep engraving smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.